So hello everyone, my name is Parva Suhagia and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are solving LeetCode problem number 75, sort colors. In that question we have given array nums with n objects colored red, white and blue. Sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the colors in the order red, white and blue. We will use integers 0, 1, 2 to represent color red, white and blue. So we have to sort colors according to colors red, white and blue. So in that nums array, red is represented as a 0, white is represented as a 1 and blue is represented as 2. So we have to sort that. Also you can see in example 1, they first sort 0, then 1, then 2. So first of all we have to count that all, like how many zeros are there in nums, and then how many 1 and how many 2, and then we have to add that with loop. So first we have to count frequency. So int c0. First of all initial frequency will be 0 and then we have to also we need one index I is equal to 0, and before that we have to store frequency. So int value of nums, and then we have to check that if nums value is equal 0, then we have to increment c0, and else if val is equal 1, then we have to increment c1. And then for 2, then at last we have to use for loop to reassign nums. So we have to use while loop. So while c0 is greater than 0, then we have to add that nums of I plus plus equal to 0. And then we have to use this for c1 and c2, c1 and c2, and also we have to decrement that filter c minus minus 0, 1 and 2, and let's check. Okay, so we are assigning zeros. So you can see our solution is correct. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Okay.